Why are you laughing?
No, don't get me in there. Stop it.
This is my first video for Always a New Project. So we have here an old 89 Malibu Sunsetter, and I've had this for, since 2006. So, long time. I have done some things on it. I put a tower on it. I put some new graphics on it. I don't know if you can see that. Cup holders, stereo. Got a new cover for it, a Malibu cover that has this holes for this tower. Got some board racks for it, and a new chimney top. Didn't have any speakers in it or stereo or anything, but put a new Malibu steering wheel on it. I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, it's time for an upgrade. My good buddy Jed next door does wraps. We are going to wrap this thing. I kind of started before I remembered to start videoing, but I've started to take off all these things here, the bumper strip. So I've been drilling out all of those holes and gonna take off everything I can before we wrap it, so it's a nice clean wrap. I'm probably wondering what this is. This is something that I homemade. This is my tent post for my cover so that the water runs off this way and runs off this way. So there's no puddling down inside when it rains. So it works really well. Only problem is I have to put tennis balls on the end so it doesn't rip my cover when I tighten it down. So I'm going to tint the windows black. I'm going to keep the tower black, I believe. I'm going to repaint it and the racks. Going to redo the teak deck. I'm going to sand that down and refinish it all. I've started taking out all the snap covers for it, and my next thing is I'm going to start removing all the snaps on the bow for the bow cover. I do not have a bow cover anymore. I had one when I first got it, but it was shrunk so much that there was no way it was fitting anymore. So I'm going to start drilling out all of these snaps. Take off all the rails, take off the tower. Hopefully gonna paint all this black to refresh it, and gonna start removing the updated decals that I did, removing these decals that are all dry rotted. It's all oxidized. Repaint that. So yeah, hopefully I can get the boat done, and the next project after that is updating the trailer. So we're gonna do some cool things with the trailer too. So, anyways, welcome to the channel.